So in residential area, the speed limit here is maximum is 50 kilometers, but that's only for ideal conditions. So we're gonna be turning right here. So I got my right blinker on, pulling back to the right side. We don't have a stop sign, so we are only slowing down, and then we are good to go. If you don't have a stop sign, then you don't stop, because if you stop, that's gonna be a critical mistake in the driving test. So this stop sign, it's a two-way stop sign. So on this stop sign, we will go straight. First, you have to make a full stop here before the sidewalk. Check on both sides, make sure there's no pedestrian. Then you roll forward a little bit, and then check on both sides again to make sure there's no traffic, and then you go straight. So now we see another stop sign coming up, and this stop sign, we're gonna be turning left. So I got my left blinker on, and I'm going to slow down, full stop here before the sidewalk. If I do a rolling stop here, that's gonna be a critical mistake as well. So rolling stops are critical mistakes in our driving test. Okay, so I'm checking as I'm going in the intersection. I'm checking on the right hand side as well, so it looks clear. So that means we are good to go. After your turns, the first thing you look for is the speed limit sign. So far I did not see any speed limit sign, so that means it's 50 kilometers. So in Manitoba, if you don't see any speed limit sign, it's 50 kilometers maximum. Now we see a railway crossing, so we have to check on both sides, make sure there's no train. And when you're checking on both sides, make it obvious to your examiner. Make sure you physically move your head left and right to make it obvious to your examiner that you're checking on both sides. Alright, so we're gonna be turning right at the traffic lights. And when you're driving straight, make sure you're looking at your speedometer. If you go over the speed limit, that's gonna be critical error. And if you're driving too slow without any reason, that will be automatic fail as well. So we are turning right, so I'm going to change lane to the right hand side, slowing down a little bit to maintain distance from the car in front of me. And I got my right blinker on, and light is green, and there's no pedestrian crossing, so that means I'm good to go, and I will go in my first available lane. Hey, what's up guys, let's take a quick break. I'm gonna ask you two simple questions. You just have to say yes or no. Here's question number one. Do you want to know the rules of the road? You just have to say yes or no. Question number two. Do you want to ace your driving test? You just have to say yes or no. Now, if you said yes, man, you need to buy this online training program. All right. This online training program gonna show you the most common general mistakes and most common critical mistakes that cause people to fail their driving test. And it's only $99. That's it. It's just 99 Canadian dollars. And you're gonna have access to this online training program forever. Okay, your membership does not expire. All right, so buy this online training program right now. You see the link on your screen. There's also a link in the description below. So buy this online training program and let's ace your driving test. All right, okay, so let's continue with the video. Now I can change lane, so signal, shoulder check. So you always go in your first lane first. Let's say on the right turn over there, instead of going in the first lane, if I go in the second lane, that's gonna be automatic fail. And that the first lane was actually a bus lane. Okay, so you have to look at the times as well, because the first lane was restricted for some hours. So now we see that overhead sign again. So it says Monday to Friday from 7 to 9 a.m. and then 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Okay, but that's only Monday to Friday. So today is actually a weekend, so that's why I had to go in that bus lane first, and then I have the option. I can continue driving in that bus lane, or I can change my lane. So always look at the signs and you know, make your decisions based on what you see. Alright, so now we see a speed limit sign on the right hand side. So the maximum speed limit here is 60 kilometers. I'm doing about 50 kilometers right now. Traffic is a little bit slow. It's around Christmas time, so you know people are shopping around and everything, so traffic is actually it's pretty busy here. Okay, so now we see a green light coming up, green light with a walking man sign, so that means the light gonna stay green for us. If you see a flashing hand with a green light, that means the light can change any second. And this red car is changing lane, so I was just slowing down a little bit there to maintain my distance from this red car. And your examiner want to see all that in your driving test, okay? So I'm gonna change lane to the right hand side after this intersection. So I'm going to signal right, mirror check, shoulder check, looks clear. And we're just gonna park in this McDonald's parking lot. So I got my right blinker on again. There's no pedestrian on the sidewalk. And we're just gonna park on the left hand side here. So left signal. And let's park over here. All right. Okay, thank you everyone. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys again. Thank you very much.